Whether you're upgrading outdated windows or tackling a new home improvement project, understanding the cost of window installation and replacement in Washington is essential. With the state's diverse climate, from rainy Seattle to drier eastern regions, choosing the right windows and knowing what to expect financially can help you make an informed decision that benefits your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency. Here's a breakdown of what affects window installation costs, average price ranges in Washington, and how to get the most value from your investment. Average window installation costs in Washington. The average cost to install or replace windows in Washington typically ranges between $400 to $1,200 per window, depending on several key factors. For a full home replacement, 10 to 15 windows, homeowners can expect to spend anywhere from $4,000 to $15,000. This wide range is due to variables such as window type and size, frame and glass material, installation complexity, labor rates in your area, energy efficient upgrade. While the upfront cost may seem significant, replacing old windows with high efficiency models can lead to long-term energy savings and increase your home's resale value. Factors that influence its cost, type of window, the style and function of the window heavily influence the price. Common options include single-hung windows, $300 to $500 per unit. Double-hung windows, $400 to $650. Casement windows, $500 to $900. Bay or bow windows, $1,500 to $3,500. Picture windows, $600 to $1,200. Larger, custom-shaped, or specialty windows will naturally cost more. 2. Window material. Frame material plays a big role in price and performance. Vinyl, budget-friendly and energy-efficient, $300 to $800. Wood, classic and high-end, $600 to $1,200. Fiberglass, durable and low maintenance, $500 to $1,000. Aluminum, strong but less energy efficient, $400 to $900. In Washington's wet climate, materials that resist moisture and mildew, like vinyl or fiberglass, are especially popular. Glass and energy features. Energy efficient features help Washington homeowners save on heating and cooling, but they add to the cost. Double or triple pane glass low E coatings to reflect heat. Argon or krypton gas fills for insulation. UV protective layers. While these add $50 to $200 per window, the return on investment through lower utility bills can be substantial. Labor and installation complexity. Labor costs for window installation in Washington range from $100 to $400 per window depending on accessibility, e.g., second-story windows, removal of old windows, repairs needed to the frame or structure, permit requirements or local regulation. Hiring a reputable, licensed contractor ensures the job is done correctly and can avoid costly mistakes down the road. Budget-saving tips. Replace multiple windows at once. Many installers offer discounts for bulk projects. Choose standard sizes. Custom shapes or oversized windows cost significantly more. Take advantage of rebates. Washington homeowners may qualify for energy efficiency rebates or tax incentives through utility providers or state programs. Compare quotes. Get at least 2 to 3 estimates to compare services, warranties, and prices. Remember, the cheapest quote isn't always the best. Consider the long-term performance and warranty coverage. Long-term value. While the cost of window installation in Washington can be a significant upfront investment, the benefits often outweigh the price. Lower heating and cooling costs. Enhanced curb appeal. Increased home value. Reduced outside noise. Greater indoor comfort. Most homeowners see 70 to 80% return on investment when they sell, making window replacement a smart long-term decision. Final thoughts. Plan smart, invest wisely. Understanding the cost of window installation and replacement in Washington allows you to plan realistically and choose the right windows for your home and budget. By considering style, materials, energy features, and professional installation, you can make a lasting improvement that pays off in both comfort and savings. Ready to explore your options? Reach out to a trusted local window professional for a personalized quote and consultation tailored to your home's needs.